This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, we are in the beautiful state of Wyoming, and join me will be my youngest daughter, Autumn. This is a unique show because it's Father's Day weekend. Also join us from Ugly Bug Fly Shop, owner and good friend Blake Jackson, and we're heading to the famous Miracle Mile to spend the day on a float trip going after some gorgeous trout on the fly. This is one Father's Day I never will forget, so stick around. Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles. Welcome to this week of Fly Rod Chronicles. We're in Wyoming with Ugly Bug Fly Shop. This is going to be one special show because it's Father's Day weekend. You all know how proud I am to be a father to two amazing daughters. And the memories we have shared through Fly Rod Chronicles is a true blessing. Lucky enough for me, my youngest daughter, Autumn, will be joining me on this trip. And we're heading to the famous Miracle Mile to catch some fish on the fly. It doesn't get much better than this.
All right, Blake, so I've heard about the Miracle Mile for a while now from my dad. What's the significance of it?
Well, I mean, it's just a very unique place. It's kind of got its name from, Kurt Gowdy era, but it's kind of known for its big fish and a little more turbulent water than what we've seen on the reef, but it should make for a fun day.
So big fish it is. I mean, every time you bring me here, we get into a good fish.
Yeah, it's not a fish numbers thing by any means. It's really about the quality of fish. Although you can have some great fish numbers, it's between the boulders and the current and a few of the obstacles that makes it a little bit of a fun time. Depending on flows and everything, that can kind of change. But yeah, once you hook them here, it's not real easy.
Yeah, with your business with Crazy Rainbow, I mean, it's not just about dudes going fishing. I bring my family out, and this is special. Yesterday was Father's Day, and to be able to hang out with my daughter Autumn, it means so much. To bring your family and come up here to do Miracle Mile, I know that means a lot to you guys.
It sure does. Yeah. I mean, I used to spend time here growing up as well, and the mile's a unique place. It's lots of camping locations, that sort of thing. Some great trails, mountains, hiking, biking, you can kind of do it all here. So yeah, we can definitely accommodate anything from straight fishing days to full family trips and kind of help you put it all together.
Yeah, well, I can't wait to go from this interview to the smile on your face. Go ahead and get the pose right here.
I'm ready.
You're ready?
I'm ready.
All right, well, let's go do it.
That sounds good.
All right.
All right. That was awesome. I'll listen to you this time, Blake. Whew. Woo! Oh my gosh. Look at that. Holy crap.
Fish on, fish on. Ooh, 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 I like that sound. I like that sound. Oh, gosh, I'm in the backing already. I am in the backing. On the mile, I am in the backing. I'm out of the backing now in the mile. I am back. He's coming right at us. And we haven't seen him now. He is taking me to the rocks, and now we see him. And you know what? It's not that big of a fish, but in the mile, they will do that to you. He took me to the backing, Chad. That fish took me to the backing. I should be ashamed of myself.
He should be ashamed of himself.
He should be. That fish right there took me to the backing. That fish right there took me to the backing. You gotta be kidding me, but that's what you get at the mile right there, isn't it?
Shoulders.
Huh?
Shoulders.
It's got shoulders. He took me to the blue, to the backing.
You know, I've always heard, you know, if you're fishing for trout, backing, you put backing on, that's just to fill up the reel. You don't need your backing. Hey, we were in our backing more times than not. And you know what was weird about this? The smaller fish, seems like they were the ones that were taking us into our backing. You know, it goes to prove that, you know, these wild fish in the mile, you know, fighting this hard current, you know, this cold water, they just, man, as soon as they hit, they're gone.
Whoa! Whoa! Still hand off? I'm losing tension. Are you sure? Okay. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh man. Come on, fishy. Come to the boat. Okay. I love the fight.
All the way to your, you got it?
Woo! Isn't that pretty silver? So I said before that I've heard about the Miracle Mile and I didn't really know the significance. I've heard many people talk about it, I've heard my dad talk about it, and I finally realized after fishing it what is so spectacular about it. I am not always great on the camera, and I knew I was having a good time because I kept asking the cameraman, did you get that? Did you get that? Woo! I know, you missed this guy. Woo! Woo! Yeah.
So you don't have to pay $40.99 a month. Just do this for a workout.
Literally. I'm gonna be sore. Woo! Oh man. Beautiful. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. You've been putting me in some great spots. Thank you.
Good work.
We had a great day.
I like it. Yeah.
What an awesome start it's been out here on the Miracle Mile on Father's Day weekend with my daughter Autumn. But we got to cut it short and go to a commercial break. We'll be back right after this.
For at the Miracle Mile, We had a really fun trip, somewhat a unique one. Autumn and Curtis each had their own boat, and it, honestly was one of the finer fishing days I've been on the mile. I've been here for a long time, doing this a long time, and in my 21 years guiding and rowing the Platte here, it's probably the top 25 sort of day. It was just left and right, and fish doing anything and everything. They were crossing the river, jumping at the boat. We'd lose a fish, throw it right back in, hook another one. It was just one of those kind of giddy sort of fish days that we all kind of strive to have. It was a really phenomenal situation and a really cool thing to be part of, to see the dynamic of Curtis cheering for Autumn and vice versa. And some of the little photo clips we were able to grab with those two together, and then just the overall size and health of those fish, the way they were eating. It's a really special moment when it happens.
There he is. Coming to me, aren't you? Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. Okay. Oh, he dove on me. I'm sorry. I apologize. The lesson I learned yesterday too was get that head up and keep it up. Okay, right here. Right here. I feel like he's going to the gym. Look at that shining in there, Chad. Look at that. She's shining, baby.
Awesome. So you can see her throat. Release. Yep. Yes, that's truly wild fish. It's a cut bow. Yeah. Not from a hatchery. Born in this river. And it's guaranteed. Awesome fish, man.
Thank you, Bo.
Good work.
Thank you, man.
I am very proud of Autumn. She's like a sponge. Look at what she picked up from Blake with the perfect rod placement, hook set, and the way she fights this fish to the boat.
Oh yeah. Got a spot on his back. Gosh, he's so strong. Woo! Oh man, my arms are getting tired. That's a beauty.
So one reason that makes central Wyoming, this Casper area, so unique. Obviously, we have a world-class trout fishery that runs right through town. There's not many places that have that to offer, and it fishes right here in the heart of Casper, all the way up to the Miracle Mile, like you've seen, and even above. Our business here operates the Miracle Mile, Gray Reef, and then all the way really down to the town of Glen Rock. But we're blessed here with consistent water flows, cold water temperatures, a really long fishing season. We fish all 12 months of the year. The bulk of our business takes place, or the bulk of the fishing takes place from March through about Thanksgiving. But because it's a tailwater fishery and behind dams, you get those luxuries of cool temps, great food, and a super long season.
There we go. Fish on, fish on.
That was awesome.
There he is, fish. Oh, God, that's a good fish. Here he goes upstream. Ooh, I told you after lunch I'm good for a fish.
Whoa! Whoa!
Ooh, that's a good fish.
Woo! Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Woo.
Woo!
Yeah. All right, man. All right. That a boy.
Woo!
There we go. Knock her out, baby. Knock her out, man. You the man.
Woo! Oh man.
Baby.
Yeah.
You know, as the day went on, you've heard the saying, I got to pinch myself. I mean, I had to pinch myself. The mile is low numbers, big fish. It kept going on and on. Every drift was fish. I look over, man, she's got a fish and the rod's bent. I mean, she is bent and down the river, and I'm like, she's on a good fish, Troy. I mean, she's on a really good fish. So we go down, and all at once I stick a fish, but I can't take my eyes off of Autumn, and we double up.
Okay.
Let it run until it takes off hard. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Get up here.
I was refusing to let go for some reason.
She looks like she's on a big one. Oh, let me get it. We got a double. We got a double. Audie and I got a double on the mile. A double on the mile. That's a dream. We want a picture. We want a picture of a double. Ooh, and a jumper. We got a double. We get this one in. Did she get hers in? Okay. Audie! Double! Oh, now I just got to make it happen here, don't I?
All right, fish, come to us. All right, look at it.
Okay. Let me get this to you.
Oh, such a beauty. Not done yet.
Right there he is. Right there he is.
Woo! Oh my gosh.
Hold that for me, Audie.
Oh wow.
Just like that.
Oh wow.
Take a seat real quick.
Oh my goodness.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Got the crawdad on the day after Father's Day,
I
huh?
like it.
Thank you
Beautiful
so
fish.
much. Yeah, that was hard for me.